Hey guys, Diana here from strategicfinances.net, empowering women to build wealth online, helping them create more cash flow and implement better financial strategies. So here I just wanted to share a way that you can stretch your savings. You can only do so much with savings. The number one reason we have a savings is for peace of mind, or at least an emergency savings. It's for peace of mind. And also, if you do like sinking funds or if you save ahead for certain things, it's being prepared. It's just preparation, especially when it's a big purchase that you're going to make. So here's where you can keep all your savings. So you have savings for a vehicle you want to buy, for a down payment on a vehicle, for the whole vehicle. Maybe it's a down payment on a home that you want to purchase. Or maybe it's just having that emergency. And it shouldn't be or, it should be and. We all should have the emergency savings, right? And then beyond that, you have your other savings. So here is a way to stretch your savings. I'm at ally.com. It's an online bank that I've been using since 2018. A lot of people, ask about it. So I just wanted to share how you can make your savings stretch, because like I said, I'm actually doing a reel right now. So I'm just showing a little bit of this picture here and how you can save money. You would definitely want to be investing, but you have to have the savings too. So let's get right into it. So you can earn interest, right? You can earn interest. So what you do is you can open up a checking and a savings account. One thing that I do is I put my savings in this bank. Okay. So all of my savings is in a separate bank, separate from like the checking account that I use for like all my bills. And I keep it separate. It's just a way for me I actually got the idea from a book that I read. And I forget what the book is called, but it was about mastering money. And, studies have shown that if you automate your savings and you automate your investments, you're more likely to do it. One, so I can do that with this bank here. And then also, if you keep it separate, even if you have to it's a local bank, but you have to drive like 30 minutes or an hour to withdraw money. Just make it hard for yourself to dip into your savings, okay? And a quick tip for you, try saving a percentage instead of a number and see how that works for you. But you can open up a checking and savings account. I use just a savings account. That was my main purpose for opening a account. Now I do have a checking account. I did get one, and it's come in handy. I use it for my fun money, my blow money that I just do whatever with. So I put that in this checking account. So I do have a debit card with that. But as far as the savings, it's separate. They have their rules. You can't dip into your savings more than like 6 times per month. So you can also invest. I do have a couple of investment accounts with Ally, and you can fund your retirement. They do offer mortgages. They're really good. They're really professional. I didn't go through them when I got my mortgage, but I did initially. I don't know. I like them. I'm on their list, and they educate me. And they were educating me about the home buying process, and they also got me pre-approved. I got a pre-approval online. Of course, I had to go through. I didn't get past to that point because I wasn't there yet. And okay, they have auto loans. They have personal loans. I didn't know this. Financing option, medical treatments and procedures, repairs and renovations. I could use this. Let me see. Wow. DIY, deck, smart tech. Okay. So I wonder what this is about. I'll have to check that out later. But anyhow, you have your savings and you automate that savings. and you just open up an account. So what you can do is, let's just go through it really quickly. What we offer, so an online savings account. So share with you the first strategy is separating your savings from the money that you use for bills and your lifestyle. I treat this Ally account as my wealth account. Okay. And I have a millionaire mind. Okay. I have a millionaire mind. I say yes to success. So my money is able to actually grow a little bit, Online savings account, annual percentage yield of 0.50% on all balance tiers. So save smarter, faster than ever. Helpful tools, 24/7 support, and that is true. No monthly maintenance fees, that is true. Or minimum balance requirements, that is true. Even when you use the ATM, you can actually get up to a certain amount, I think like $10 or $20 a month back in ATM fees, which they do that. So you just open a new account. Let's look at some of the reviews. 5 stars. So let's see what this is doing for people. So I just want to go over these reviews. So it said great rates. This is the most recent. It said try because of the rates and pleasantly surprised by just how easy all transactions have been. These people said the highest rating was we liked the buckets. We recently moved our cash to Ally and we can plan for we can plan for future expenses as newly retired using your budget approach. We can set funds aside for future purchases, save for fun stuff, or even budget for future years and still see it all in one place. Thanks for making it easy. So you can come over here and look at all these reviews. There's thousands of them. Over 8,000 reviews. So I love this bank. I'm telling you, just go here. I think that's a lot of value, but I was just showing you that your money can make a little bit of money. I know at the bank it doesn't make a bunch, but you gotta have a savings. So at least you're getting something, and it's fun to see that. That's really just icing on the cake. Really what it is you're planning, you're telling your money what to do. You're like, I want to save for this, this, and this. And you're making your wants, your desires into a reality. So this is really, really, really cool. So that's all I got for you. 7-minute video. Go to ally.com. Just click the link. I don't know if they have an affiliate program. Just go to ally.com, click the link, and get started. I'll see you. If you want some more direction with your money, I have a free 8-step game plan to increase your cash flow. In 2021, there's still time, so click the link around this video to access that. See you in the next video. Bye.